everyone. Today the book I have to review is Ami Abu Bakr, and the author of this book is Asif Nurjul. Uh, this is my first book of Asif Nurjul, and I think he's a pretty good writer because this book is actually simple, but it tells us a lot of story, the untold stories of a lot of tortured students of universities like the basic universities of Bangladesh, like the government universities, Dhaka University, Chattogram University, and Buet, Chuet, etc. And those are the best university of Bangladesh. But in those universities, there are a common thing that is political culture, and that's actually a bad thing for students because they are always for the government side, and there is nothing to argue about this, because if you argue about this, they will treat you as they treated Abu Bakr. And the main character of this book is Abu Bakr. He was a meritorious student of university, and he was very simple and easygoing. But the thing he did was he didn't actually like politics, and that's why they told him that he was religious, and that's why they are suspecting him as a supporter of Shibir. But he wasn't actually, but they didn't believe him, and they beated him very badly. He was on hospital for 8 days, and it was a very critical time of his life. And he managed to do all the things that he needed to do. But the thing is, when he got tortured, he actually thought that if I was the party that was beating everyone, if I was the party that does politics, then I would have saved my life. I would have led a very happy life. So he joined the party that actually tortures as the political party, and he started to torture everyone as by suspecting them as Shibir, and that's how a victim turned into a torturer, and a victim turned into a man who was actually guilty about this. But now he is the man who does this to everyone, and that's how he changed. That's how the politics of Bangladesh changed him from a victim to the participates. Now that's how the story begins, and now he is leading a very happy life. But he wasn't happy actually. He was thinking that he was happy, but he wasn't. That's just because he was thinking that he is doing his job pretty good. But whenever he got called by the authority, he got shocked, and why she said that, why are you guys calling me as a victim? I am not the victim anymore. I always make people victim of my acts. And that's how a good and meritorious student turned into a student that is not even that does not even can be called a student. He is actually a torturer and a political leader. And whenever they finish their varsity life, they still lives on the hostel rooms, the hostels of the universities. And this book also tells us about the story of how a lot of students get tortured every day. As we know that the student of Buet, Abrar Fahad, he was also tortured like this. The guys who tortured him suspected that he was a Shibir, but he actually wasn't. Abu Bakr is also the same, but after Fahad died, he didn't. And there's the difference. And we also get to learn a lot of things about this, like how politics actually works in the universities and in Bangladesh. And we get to learn that how we have to deal with our problems. Like they are actually not problems, but we think that they are very big problems. But whenever we try to take it easily, we pass through the problems, and we dominate our life. Actually, I will suggest this book to the new readers because it's a very simple story and there's nothing complex in it. And it's also the main thing about this book is very informative, and you will let to learn a lot of things about politics of Bangladesh, the political situations of the universities of Bangladesh. And this is not a actually not a bad book. I will suggest this. So goodbye.